Hi everyone, it's Cosmin from Dessertophilia, and today I'm showing you how I make my super decadent double chocolate brownies with peanut butter. And because mine are made with erythritol, they have less calories than usual brownies, not to mention peanut butter brownies. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. I start by melting 160 grams of unsalted butter. To this I add 175 grams of bittersweet chocolate and a pinch of salt. Give it a little stir and let it rest. In a mixing bowl, crack 3 eggs and beat them on high speed until they're foamy. Then add 175 grams of erythritol and continue beating on high speed until the mixture more than doubles in volume. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue mixing. In the meantime, the hot butter will have melted the chocolate. All you have to do right now is give it a stir until you obtain a smooth and glossy ganache. Carefully incorporate the ganache while the mixer is running. You should obtain a mousse-like consistency that looks like this. These are 60 grams of black wheat flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Incorporate these in the chocolate mousse with a spatula. When the flour is fully incorporated, add 50 grams of chopped white chocolate and fold it in. I have this 12 cavity non-stick brownie pan, but you can use any non-stick baking pan you like. I only greased it with butter. Now add some peanut butter to each brownie square. Use a metal skewer or a toothpick to slightly mix the peanut butter into the brownies. The brownies bake at 160 Celsius for 25 minutes. Because of the weight of the peanut butter, they will sink back in. Let me know if you tried the recipe and how it turned out for you guys. Until next time, Dessertophiles.